Kidney disease can be a challenging condition to manage, particularly when it comes to dietary choices. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, so what you eat can significantly impact their function and overall health. To help maintain kidney health and prevent further complications, it's essential to avoid certain foods that can exacerbate kidney disease. Here are 10 foods to avoid if you have kidney disease. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats are high in sodium and preservatives. These additives can increase blood pressure and place a significant strain on the kidneys. Patients with kidney disease should opt for fresh, lean meats and limit their consumption of processed options. 2. Canned foods. Canned foods, including soups, vegetables, and beans, often contain high levels of sodium. Sodium can exacerbate hypertension and lead to fluid overload, both of which are detrimental to kidney health. When possible, choose fresh or frozen alternatives. 3. Dairy products. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in phosphorus, a mineral that can accumulate in the blood when kidney function is impaired. High phosphorus levels can lead to bone disease and cardiovascular complications in patients with kidney disease. 4. Carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages, including sodas and energy drinks, are loaded with sugars and artificial additives. Dark-colored sodas also often contain phosphorus additives, which can be harmful to the kidneys. Water, herbal teas, and natural fruit juices are healthier alternatives. 5. Bananas. Bananas are high in potassium, an essential nutrient for muscle function and heart health. However, excessive potassium can be dangerous for individuals with kidney disease. Limiting the intake of bananas and other high-potassium foods like oranges, avocados, and potatoes is recommended. 6. Whole grains. While whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, and bran cereals are generally considered healthy, they can be high in phosphorus and potassium. Patients with kidney disease need to monitor their intake of these minerals carefully. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes and tomato-based products, including sauces, soups, and juices, are rich in potassium. For individuals with kidney disease, it is crucial to find low-potassium alternatives or reduce the portion sizes of these foods. 8. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in potassium. Although they offer numerous health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation by individuals with kidney disease. Alternatives like iceberg lettuce or cabbage can be considered. 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense and high in healthy fats, but they also contain significant amounts of phosphorus and potassium. Almonds, cashews, and sunflower seeds should be limited to avoid excessive intake of these minerals. 10. Pickles and olives. Pickles, olives, and other pickled foods are typically preserved in brine, making them extremely high in sodium. Consuming these foods can lead to fluid retention and high blood pressure, which can burden the kidneys. Opt for fresh or low-sodium versions of these foods, and always check labels for hidden sodium content. Managing kidney disease requires careful dietary choices to prevent further damage and maintain optimal kidney function. By avoiding these 10 foods, you can help protect your kidneys and improve your overall health. Always consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian to create a personalized diet plan tailored to your specific needs. If you found this article helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information on managing chronic conditions.